Hey Brian, my name is Erin. I'm with Duff Digital Marketing, a marketing agency here in Greensboro, and I happen to be doing some research in your area and I came across your website. So I figured I would shoot you guys a video to give you 3 tips on how you can beat your competition online. I don't want to waste your time and I don't want to waste my time either, so I will keep this nice and short. But if by the end of this video you can see that I have some tricks up my sleeve that can help grow your business online and that's something that you're interested in doing, please reach out to me and we can chat. And if not, no worries. Please take these tips I've given you here today for free and put them into action. The only thing that I do ask, if you don't mind, would be for you to please give me some feedback on this video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and we'll get into it. The 3 things that I want to cover today are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So first up would be content, and that's basically anything that you can see on your page here. That includes pictures, what they are saved as, and also what's behind the pictures can be considered content as well. So these are things that the search engine can read and get an idea of what the services that you offer are, the area that you're targeting, and that will position you in the search ranking. So having unique, authoritative content and enough of it to add in the keywords or key phrases that people are going to be searching Google for to locate your services is very important. I'm looking at your website. It looks like you all do have a lot of content, which is great. So we just want to make sure that you have the keywords and key phrases within that content that the searchers are going to be more than likely to search for when they're actually looking for your services. So good job there. And the website looks great. Everything looks very organized. I love that you guys have a lot of pictures. It's very appealing to the eye. So that's really the only thing that I have for you all there. So we'll go ahead and move on. The second tip I have is citations. So looking at a Google search for water damage, Greensboro, NC, you'll see at the top some ads. In 2020, a lot of people are steering away from ads or they have ad blockers set up on their browser so they don't even have to look at them. Citations mostly have a lot to do with this section right here that we call the map pack. What a citation is essentially is your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories all throughout the web. So you may be asking yourself, what is a directory and how do I get into one of those? To put it simply, it's basically Yellow Pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, and really any other place online that's going to allow business owners to add their business details and services within there. That would be considered a directory. So in order to rank high in the maps here, you would need to make sure that you're looking at your competitors' directory listings and seeing what they're currently being listed in, and then go out and get yourself listed in there as well. But you don't just want to stop at whatever your competition has. You want to get what they have, and then you want to add more. That way you're completely dominating them in that space, and that will help you rank here in the map pack in the search. So now that we have covered content and citations, the last thing that I want to cover is backlinks. That has a lot to do with the section below the map pack here. This is what we call the organic section of Google. The way backlinks work is that there's a website out there that has a link to your website and is basically pushing power to your site, which is potentially bringing traffic to you. So backlinks are not all created equal though. For example, let's say that there's an ice cream shop and you have done some work with the owner of that ice cream shop and they have decided that they're going to send you their link, but their link is all about ice cream. So that's not going to really do much good for you since it has nothing to do with your business. We want links from another water damage company that's actually sending a link back to your website that says, yes, they are in the same industry, they are a water damage company. That's going to be a lot more powerful because it's unique and it's also relative to your industry. So looking at one of the tools that I have here, this is called Ahrefs, and it's not 100% accurate, but it's a company that buys data from Google. So it gives me an idea of what's working well for you and what's working well for your competition also. And so with this, I can see that you guys currently have 14 referring domains, which is giving you 198 backlinks. And out of all of those, you're getting found for 78 keywords. Out of those keywords, you're getting roughly 17 people average to your site each month. And like I said, this is just a tool. It's not 100% accurate. If you want the most accurate information, you would get that straight from Google Analytics. But as you can see here, I'm going to pull up your keywords and we'll see what position each of them are in that you all are being found for. So I'm just going to click on this so it'll show it to us in order. So position 1, Advanta Clean of the Piedmont. Looks like next is position 8, air duct cleaning, Greensboro, NC. And again, these are the things that you all are actually being found for, the keywords. Position 9, duct cleaning, Greensboro, North Carolina. Position 11, mold removal, Greensboro, mold remediation, Greensboro, mold removal, Greensboro. These other ones have NC attached to the end of them. So, and as we go down, it just is things that are pushed further down on the Google pages. So like position 11 is probably going to be on page 2 of Google, while page 1 is obviously going to be on the first page. So if we look at the competition, and in the map pack here, the first company listed is ServPro of Greensboro North. Let's just see what they have going on. So they have 17 referring domains, giving them 254 backlinks, which is getting them found for 178 keywords, pushing roughly 119 people to their site per month. Let's see here. So we'll go ahead and see what keywords they are being found for that are pushing them to the top here. And we'll just organize them again so it's showing everything to us in order. So it looks like in the first position they have ServPro Greensboro, NC, Water Damage Restoration Greensboro, NC, ServPro Greensboro. Position 2, ServPro North Carolina. Position 3, Water Damage Greensboro, and so on and so forth. And as we go down, it's pushing them down further on the pages of Google as well. So essentially, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of the same places they're being found in. And just like the citations, you don't want to stop there. So in order to really truly beat out your competition, you want to make sure that you're adding more. And that's pretty much all that I have for you today. I hope this video has been educational for you. If you'd like to know more about how Duff Digital Marketing can help grow your business via your online presence, please give me a call and we can chat. And like I said before, if not, no worries. I enjoyed the free tips that I've given you today. And if you could, like I said, just please give me some feedback on this video and let me know how I did. Thanks again for your time, Brian. I hope you have a great rest of your day.